Here's to new beginnings, another round for everyone, one more round for everyone. Here's to feeling alright. Don't hold back for anyone, don't live your life for anyone. In here, no, we don't have to worry, worry, worry. Leave it at the door, leave it at the door. Out there, everybody's in such a hurry, hurry, hurry. Leave it at the door, 'cause baby, you ain't gotta worry no more. You ain't gotta worry no more. Here's to living your life. You got one chance to do it right, so you better make sure you do it right. Here's to all the bad times. They can try